If you came from that short reel with a cloud that looks like a photo, you already know it is possible. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you how such a painting is created, why oil paints are best for skies, and what brushes you actually need. I will also give you one simple technique that will change your cloud starting today. Oil is not acrylic. Acrylic dries in minutes. You just layer one coat over another, hard and fast. But oil lives for hours, sometimes days. On one hand, you can quickly fix a mistake. On the other hand, that's exactly the magic. Slow drying lets me blend one paint into another right on the canvas. I rub a fresh stroke into a still wet lower layer. They mix not randomly, but in a controlled way, creating that fluffy, airy cloud effect. That you can create with oil, you will never achieve with acrylic. But there is a risk. If you use the wrong consistency, too thin, the paint will just float across the canvas like a watercolor. No magic will happen. You will get a puddle, not a cloud. Try to aim more thicker, more movable consistency. Another important trick, you need to show the light on the cloud. Look, I create contrast on the cloud's edges. In some places, the sun lights up a thin edge. In other places, it almost lights the cloud from within. Try to show light and shadow in the cloud structure, so it becomes three-dimensional. How to make smooth transitions from light to shadow. I teach that in my full cloud course. Now, what tools do I actually use? You saw it in the reel. I use a makeup brush, a regular powder or blush brush. That's my secret weapon. It's exactly that creates that hazy, realistic texture. But again, there is a risk. Different parts of the cloud, the dense middle, the rugged edge, the light haze, needs different makeup brushes. If you use the same brush for the whole cloud, you will risk mixing everything into one muddy mess. And that's definitely not what we want for a fluffy, realistic cloud. These deep personal secrets, how to choose the right colors and mix them, the right paint consistency, the right thinner, the right brushes of different zones of the cloud, which affordable set I order for myself, the brush stroke technique, the step-by-step process. I break all of that down in my full cloud course. You have already watched the free mini lesson. If you want your cloud to breathe and not turn into a muddy mess, join the cloud course, just like more than 400 creative people already have. I will hold your hand from a blank canvas to a finished painting you will proudly hand on your wall, all in one evening. On the page below this video, there is a buy with a discount button. It's active for only 24 hours after you come from the reel. You can place your order now and start painting whenever it suits you. Join now. See you on the course.